Throughout human history, populations have concentrated around coastlines for trade and fishing. But these are naturally dynamic areas, sculpted by punishing storms, coastal erosion, and rising sea levels, which is why humans have constructed aggressive defenses to protect themselves. And these typically involve lots of concrete, which is great for building tough, durable structures, but not so great for marine biodiversity. And this is because marine organisms prefer the complicated and weathered structures of rock or coral, which provides refuge and growth points. And maintaining healthy marine ecosystems is important, as they help to reduce coastal erosion and flooding. By studying these marine habitats, the team at ECOncrete have eco-engineered solutions to protect the coastlines for both human and marine life. These concrete structures provide natural features which offer areas for marine growth and shelter, and the unique composition of their concrete recycles materials and is far less toxic than traditional mixes, making it easier for marine organisms to grow on it. The benefit of working with nature is that they repay the favour. As certain species grow on the structures, they lay down toughening calcium carbonate deposits, which sequester carbon and further strengthens the concrete over time. Unlike traditional defences, ECOncrete works with nature to regenerate marine ecosystems and prolong the lifespan of its structures, keeping both human and marine life happy for years to come.